Hey, everybody. Welcome, ladies. This is the Marketing Methodology Workshop. I'm Deidre, and this is Carmen, and we are your hosts and guides over the course of the next week together. We are co-founders of Encore Empire.
And at Encore Empire, our focus is helping female service-based entrepreneurs who happen to be over 40 fix what's not working in their business. Now, the approach to business changes as we age, yet nobody addresses this until now. And the good news is we gain some pretty awesome superpowers that come with all of our life experience.
And we are both business strategy experts, and we have decades of experience. I'm a certified public accountant, and after 20 years in public accounting, I became full-time free building and growing an e-commerce business, and then moving into small business consulting and coaching. Now, my passion is to help you create an economy that isn't dependent on the current state of affairs or the marketplace that is ever changing, so you can increase both your income and impact through your business.
And I'm a certified online business manager and whole person coach with over 25 years of marketing experience. So years ago, I started my first business as a side hustle while working in corporate America, where I led teams to win contracts in the 9 figures. My passion has always been to empower women to be able to create the life they want. And there's no better way to do it than to become a successful entrepreneur. By combining our respective areas of expertise, Deidre and I have created a truly unique and holistic business that serves the needs of women who are ready to step into their power.